Hey guys, in this video we are going to be talking about the most advanced gimbal in the market, the Pixela Epic series. The Epic series comes with inbuilt AI technology. It is smart and memorizes all the parameters that you set so that you don't have to set them again and again. These gimbals are the lightest in the industry at 1.25 kgs with a payload ratio of 3.6 kgs. It allows you to balance any brand cameras, be it a DSLR, a mirrorless or even a camcorder. These gimbals come with the industry's fastest auto-tuning and calibration feature. The gimbal gets ready under 10 seconds. This allows you to concentrate on those more creative shots like hyperlapses, panoramas, 360-degree roll features and much more. The Epic Plus gimbals come with motion control and the highest level of stability of up to 3 decimals and dual algorithm. It also has a 12 to 14 hour battery backup that allows you to shoot on the go. The best thing about the gimbal is that it can be turned on upside down, giving you more flexibility. The design of the gimbal is such that the motors do not cover the screen, hence you get a clear view while you're shooting. Also, it has a very comfortable grip where your thumb covers your fingers, allowing you to have a firmer grip on the gimbal. Another key feature that the gimbal provides is the app. The app that connects to the gimbal is the most advanced app available in the market that allows you to control the gimbal wirelessly via joystick, allows you to use some creative modes like a wide panorama, motion control, motion time lapse and a wider 360 shot. The app allows you to customize the gimbal according to your preferences. You can actually speed up the motors or slow them down depending on what you're shooting. The app is available on iOS and Android devices. The Pixela Epic Plus gimbals are available in the Indian market with a 1-year warranty. So what are you waiting for?